last thing I want to do is I'm going to take this thing that goes to the power regulator from the transport right here. I'm going to give this orange. And put some orange right there. Okay. I'll have to hook that back up to test it though. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to take this little power right here. I'm going to put this give this a purple. And put some purple on this. Something smells. Not sure what that is, but that's probably not great. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna put this on and do some blue here. Put some blue here. P554. And so here, okay, there you go. What's this? I don't know. Okay, the transport should be free soon. Transport is free.